Hey guys, it's FanOfFans47 here with an unboxing of a Kodak EasyShare C340 that I picked up at my local Goodwill today. You can see it's in its original box, which is nice. So yeah, let's just get right to unboxing this thing. And open up the box here. So to start off, we got this thing. It says "Getting Started." Here is the user guide. And I guess this is like a warranty card. Oh, this is like a list of accessories. That's what that is. So yeah, there's that. And then this is the envelope itself. Moving on. We got a RCA cable. This is a little stand, as you can see. It says "Do not discard." And here is the camera itself. You can see it's actually in pretty nice condition for it being used. So, yeah, go ahead and flip this to off. It's got a lanyard attached to it, as you can see. So yeah, let's go ahead and put some batteries in this thing and see if it has any signs of life. You can see it just takes normal AA size batteries. I do happen to have a pair of Energizers here. According to the label, it goes this way. There we go. Now I'll go ahead and flip the switch to the auto mode. Alright, we got a red light. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes you have to give it a minute to recognize the battery. Yeah, so it's thinking that the batteries are dead. I believe I have a solution for this, though. I'll be back. Well, guys, all I did is put a little bit of aluminum foil on the battery terminals, and look at that. We now have life. So let's go ahead and set all the settings. Exposure compensation. Picture size, it goes all the way up to 5 megapixels. White balance, leave that on auto. ISO, auto. Leave that at multi. Color. No long time exposure. Image storage, auto. Alright, here we go. Setup. Live view, definitely on. Set the sound volume to high. Set the auto power off to 10 minutes. And that date is completely wrong. It is 2024. October, gotta look at the date. It's October 7th at 2:23 in the afternoon. So 14:23. There we go. Go ahead and change this to none, because we don't want any video date stamps. And we'll format the internal memory. There we go. Alright. So now let's go ahead and take a test picture. We'll use this as our subject here. Go ahead and initiate focus lock. And everything seems to be working fine. Let's go ahead and delete that. We'll go ahead and test the zoom. That's working without any problems. Alright guys, we got another working camera in the collection. The EasyShare C340. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and that'll be it.